Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and it is a beautiful day here in Atlanta. So glad to be outside shooting a video for a change. And talking about outside, we're going to talk about this cordless blower that was sent to me by a company called SEYVUM. I've had the opportunity of the past few weeks to put it to the test, and look forward to diving in and demonstrating it to you. In fact, I will timestamp the video so you can go to that part of the video to see it in action. And I'll also be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you can check it out. If it makes sense, you can order it. So let's talk about what is included. Obviously, you have the cordless blower. You also have the extender piece, which you can connect right there, so makes it great for getting low to the ground. It also comes with 2 batteries, so you can swap them out during use, which is nice. And then you have the wall charger as well, the user manual, and of course the box. This is the LB-8189 model. Now let's talk about the specs. First of all, it is $100, give or take. Check for the website, by the way, for any promotions. So it is a 320 CFM, 150 mile an hour, 20 volt leaf blower. Again, it comes with 2 batteries. Now it claims it has 2 speeds. The low speed is 70 miles an hour and the 150 mile an hour for the high speed. Now, when I did a test, as you can see here, and I have this device, it only tested up to around 57 miles an hour. So I wanted to see what it would show clocking, and I think you'll also see in the demonstration how powerful it really is for what it's really used for. So again, I thought the speed doesn't come nearly close to that, even doesn't even get to the low speed based on the device. But again, we'll show you that part of the video. So with the weight, it's about 3.89 pounds with the battery on it. So it's not too bad as far as weight-wise and holding it. It does have a fast charge, and it charges the batteries in only about 2 hours, and the battery will last up to 30 minutes for the high speed and 40 minutes for the low speed. So those are the specs. Now, let's just highlight just some of the things about the blower. It feels like a quality product. It's mostly plastic. You've got this rubberized handle, so it has a good grip. So it doesn't feel like it's slipping, and you've got your switch here for your on and off and changing the speeds. Looks like we got a little bit of a breeze. So this is low. And then off. So it is a little loud, but I don't find I need to wear earplugs. So compared to, I'm sure, other cordless blowers get very, very loud. So I don't think you'll need earplugs or anything like that. Then for the battery, this got a little button you push down, and then the battery slides right out. So that is how it works. Now, let's talk about how, as far as how well it works. I'm going to show you here in this video. So I show you a few different things to get an idea, and then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, so you got to see it in action. And as I said, when I used this device for testing the speed. It clocked up to about 57 miles an hour. As you saw in the video, it really is best made for lightweight items. It was struggling, really blowing and moving some of the pine straw and some of the other, those white leaves in the grass. So if you are looking for something that you're going to really want some heavy duty blowing, this is not going to be the right product for you. But if you've got some loose ends you might want to blow, you've got a garage and it's dusty, it's good for that. Here I've got my birds and the squirrels, and they're making a big mess, so I can use that for blowing that. But you know, my thoughts on it, it's you know, I think it's a little pricey for what it really does. A little disappointed in that it doesn't put out more, you know, as far as being able to blow other items around on the ground. But again, good for items that are not too heavy, and that is what I got to gain out of it. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions. That's my thoughts on it. You could see the other reviews, and if you have any questions, you know, let me know. I'll try and answer those for you. And I appreciate you joining me today. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.